Superpower 4 is wiggle. Yeah, that's it. Just put your feet on the floor if you can. If not, just start wiggling your toes wherever you are. This will automatically take the energy out of your head and bring it down. So when you're using this with your other superpowers, so stop, look, listen, wiggle. So when you've stopped, you can stop and then just go straight to wiggle and then start scanning your body. Or you can wait to wiggle, and while you're scanning, again, remember how I said when you're looking and listening, and you're at the point where you're just letting the sensations in your body calm down, start wiggling your toes, and that will help you to calm down the sensations in your body that have been triggered from whatever the situation is. So wiggling your toes is just something very easy that you can start implementing in your classroom on day one. So this could be something where, again, if you're singing Hedgy's Calm Action Song and they've heard wiggle, and you feel like it's a hectic day or a hectic week, or you don't have to feel like you don't have time to jump into all the superpowers yet, go straight to wiggle. You could just be like, wiggle time, and have your students put their feet on the floor and wiggle. Okay, stop and wiggle, great starter. And then introduce look and listen whenever is convenient for you. So again, you can mix the superpowers up. Hedgy's Calm Action Song has it in this order, but again, whatever works for you and makes it successful, and adding it to your classroom's daily rhythm and routine. So wiggle, a very powerful, easy superpower.